Hi friends, today we are going to learn some more topics in Python, that is type conversion, Python conditions and if statements, indentation. Type conversion means converting one data type to another. Okay, examples: int to float, float to int, complex to int. Okay, like this. That means one data type nunchi another data type ki convert cheste danni type conversion ani antamu. So this is the examples. Okay, how to do this in Python? Let's see that. So I am going to write the simple program for type conversion. So I am giving some values to x, that is int. This is int. Next, y equals to 0.2. This is float value. Next, complex. Okay, so now we are going to do the type conversion. We are converting here int to float. Okay, I am writing here comments, then you are get to know easily. Int to float. Okay, next, float to int. Float to int. Next, complex, int to complex. Int to complex. Okay, so we need to see the value of this ABC, so that we are using the print statement. Print A, print B, print C. Okay, let's run our program. See here, first one, a value. What is a value? We are converting int to float, that is float value we are getting. Next, float to int 0. Next, int to complex we are getting. If you want to see the type of ABC, then you need to give like this, type of VA, that means which data type. Print type of B, print type of C. Okay, let's run it. See here, we are getting float, int, complex, right? Float, int, complex. We are getting the type of the value. This is how we are going to do the type conversion. So ఇక్కడ మనము టైప్ కన్వర్షన్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఏమేమి చేస్తున్నామంటే int టు ఫ్లోట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఫ్లోట్ టు ఇంట్ కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఇంట్ టు కాంప్లెక్స్. ఆ వాల్యూస్కి ఎలా చేస్తున్నామో ఇక్కడ మాకు అవుట్పుట్లో తెలుస్తున్నది, అండ్ అది ఏమేమి టైప్ అనేది కూడా మనం ప్రింట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్, one more data type I need to explain you, that is boolean. Boolean we are using to evaluate the expression. If you are evaluating any expression, we will get one value, that is in true or false. So for that purpose we are using the boolean in Python. So I need to show how that expression we are going to evaluate, what output we will get. So let's some small example. So I am taking one expression. 10 greater than 9. This is a small expression. If you run this one, we will get true. For this purpose, Python is using the boolean. One more example, 10 equals to 9. So see here, true or false. This is the boolean. This is how boolean is going to help the Python for evaluating the expressions. Next concept is Python condition. So Python supports logical conditions in mathematics. Logical condition means, logical conditions ante equals to, equals, that means A equals to B, not equals, that means A not equals to B, greater than, less than A, less than B, greater than. These are all the logical condition in mathematics. That logical condition only Python will support. Okay, this is how logical condition will be there. So for I will show you simple example, and I will cover on that example only if condition. Okay, let's write that example. A equals to 33, B equals to 200. If B greater than A, what it will print? B is the greater than A. B is greater than, B is greater than A. See here, because B is greater than A, it is a true, so it is printing the statement. If it is true, it will come to this block, and it is printing the whatever is there in the print block, it is printing that value. So this is how logical operation will help. Okay, if here also I covered if condition. If condition means it evaluating the expression, if it evaluating the logical conditions. Okay, for that purpose we are going to use the if. And one more thing we are going to use is else if. This is else if, but we are not giving else if. This is wrong in Python. So we are using the ELIF. This is the keyword in Python for else if. How we are going to use this one? I will show in this example only. Let's take this 33 only. Elif A equals to B, then print A is equals to B. Okay, next one more thing is else. Next print A is not equals to B. A is not equals to B. Okay, here what this program is doing means it is evaluating one condition. Okay, first if condition it will evaluate B is greater than A. Is it B is greater than A? No, so it is false. So it is checking for else condition. Here A equals to B. A equals to B. It is true. So it will print this value. A equals to B. If let's do not equals to. Okay, not equals will give here. That means it is false. this condition also false, this condition also false, so it is printing the whatever else is having, that it will print A is equals to B. So like this if statement will going to evaluate the Python conditions. Next topic is indentation. Okay, indentation means white space at the beginning of a line to define a scope of a code. For example, here I am giving the white space. If I am not giving this white space, it will throw the indentation error. Okay, this is the indentation. How indentation will going to, it will give the scope of the code. So how much space we need to give means tab space. Okay, tab space we need to give. This is how the indentation going to be work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you. Bye.